Kyne Corrigan, 23, and Kyle Corrigan, 23, Radcliffe twin brothers jailed after violent car park fight incident. Kyne Corrigan and Kyle Corrigan, both 23, were jailed after a violent fight with family members in a school car park in Radcliffe. The court heard the incident involved disorder and a weapon, captured on CCTV, leading to prison sentences after the confrontation escalated. Craig Barratt, 49, from York, says he was detained in Qatar after an earlier hotel incident involving his wife Sarah Barratt, 34, at the Ritz-Carlton in Doha. The couple claims Sarah had reported a serious threat while staying at the hotel, but Craig was later stopped at Doha Airport and jailed. Hamish Hickey, 40, North Yorkshire. Hamish Hickey, 40, who was jailed after admitting causing the death of 85-year-old Michael Lupton by dangerous driving, has won a High Court appeal allowing him to return to legal practice. Judges ruled the earlier suspension decision was inappropriate despite his conviction. Mohammed Khalid, 55, from Huddersfield, was arrested at Manchester Airport and charged with multiple serious offences alleged to have taken place in the Kirklees area between 2003 and 2007. He appeared before Leeds Magistrates Court and was remanded in custody ahead of a Leeds Crown Court hearing. Abbas Hussain, 20, was jailed for 7 years after Mohammed Issa Afzal, 19, died following a knife incident at Power League in Bury. Others jailed this week included Taimur Raja from Oldham, Bilal Ahmed, 28, caught with cannabis at Manchester Airport, and Brandon Simcox, 21, jailed over drug and harassment offences. Police carried out raids at 2 funeral director locations in Ashton-on-Ribble and Longridge, along with a property in Fulwood, after concerns were raised about business practices. A man in his 60s and a woman in her 50s were arrested on suspicion of fraud and remain in custody as inquiries continue. Adam Howe, 38, of Love Lane in Heaton Norris, Stockport, was jailed for 4 years and 6 months after breaching strict court orders linked to a previous conviction. Investigators found illegal child-related material and evidence of repeated contact with another individual, leading to further charges and sentencing. Police want to speak to 2 women after an alleged robbery at Crown Point North Shopping Park in Denton on April 21st. Officers said items were placed under a pram before threats were made towards a staff member while leaving the store. Stuart O'Neill, who was convicted in 2009 for a serious attack on a teenage girl in Wythenshawe, has had his indefinite prison sentence quashed by the Court of Appeal. Judges replaced it with a fixed term after reviewing how the original sentence was imposed. Gemma Phoenix, 44, was jailed for 4 years after stealing more than £670,000 from a Hull taxi company where she worked as a director. The court heard she diverted company funds over a long period, causing serious financial damage to the business and its owner. Cameron Boylan, 19, of Fanny Moore Crescent in Huddersfield, appeared in court accused of assisting a man charged over the death of Kyril Fleary Gale. It is alleged he helped by picking the suspect up on the day of the incident. He was granted conditional bail and will appear at Leeds Crown Court. Carol Lowe, 65, of Prenton Road West in Birkenhead, was jailed for 39 months after running an illegal money-lending operation and assisting in drug-related activity. The court heard she issued loans with extremely high interest rates over several years, targeting vulnerable people while also handling finances linked to the operation.